G'day, how we going? Just going to have a quick look at a little Suzuki T90 that come in on the back of one of our trucks. Looks like it's going to be the Deus Ex Machina Corona promotional bike, so you'll see that around the world. Check that out. And also with it was this beautiful Norton Commando. Just say beautiful. Sound a bit weird. Oh well, it was good. 850, absolutely lovely bike. Just some of the stuff you see here. I'll show you a bit. Right, check it out. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Porky.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, mate. Where's your buddy?
Hey, everybody wants a picture of that one today, Nick.
Where'd you get this from? I'm videoing it.
It was up in Noosa.
Oh yeah? What is it? TS or something?
T90?
T90.
Yeah. The guys from Juice have bought it. They're speccing it all up. Full custom paint job.
Juice? Who's Juice?
Juice fucking motorcycle customs in Sydney.
Wow.
Camper down in Sydney. They do all this sort of gear, and they're sending it supposedly on a fucking, I think this one's being done up in Corona paint.
Oh yeah?
It's a Corona bike, and they're sending it on a Northern Hemisphere promotion.
Wow, look out for this one around the world.
Yeah, don't see many like that anymore though, Mick.
No mate.
Still runs too.
That's bloody good.
Little hot rod.
Yeah. That's all. What else you got here? You got a bloody Triumph.
Yeah,
a Norton.
Bonnie. I only brought that one up last week. Oh, last month.
Whoa.
He's already sold it to a guy back in Melbourne.
Far out. That's beautiful.
Yeah, it is a beautiful bike. But he hasn't fucking ridden it. Bit like this big fuck off Victory in the guts, 348 Ks on it.
Wow.
The owner of that is the owner of a big crane company down in Sydney.
Oh yeah.
Lovely guy. He bought a trike.
Wow. Bloody beautiful. Just say beautiful. Sound a bit weird. Oh well, it was good. I reckon. Told you it was pretty cool, eh? Mate, how good was that Norton? Mate, unbelievable. If I get anything else coming through, I'll show you all. See what you reckon. Hey, if you want to subscribe down here somewhere. If you like it, mate, enjoy. Thanks for watching.